In the previous examples, I have calculated the future value of an investment with fixed interest rate. For example, I deposit initial amount in my saving account $5,000. I will receive interest with variable interest rate over 3 years. FVSCHEDULE function returns the future value of an investment given a schedule of interest rate after the 3 years. First, I calculate the interest rate of each year. You will see the value of compounded interest will be equal to the value of future value. Active cell reference D5. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference D2. Enter multiplication operator. Open bracket. Type 1. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference C5. Close bracket. Press enter key. So I have earned interest from this investment with 6% annual interest rate $300. If you multiply the value of initial investment to the value of annual interest rate, you will have earned interest $300. So total amount in my saving account at the end of first year is $5,300. I reinvest this amount. Active cell reference D6. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter multiplication operator. Open bracket. Type 1. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference C6. Close bracket. Press enter key. I again reinvest this amount. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter multiplication operator. Open bracket. Type 1. Enter addition operator. Click this cell reference. Close bracket. Press enter key. This amount is with compounded interest. So I have total amount in my saving account at the end of third year $6,124.68. This amount is also called the future value of an investment. Now I calculate the future value of an investment by using FVSCHEDULE function. Active cell reference D10. Click financial arrow button. Click FVSCHEDULE function. So this function returns the future value of an initial principal after applying a series of compound interest rates. In principal box, select the cell reference that contains initial investment or present value. Click this cell reference. Press tab key. In schedule box, select the range of variable annual interest rates. Select this range. Click OK. Function returns the future value $6,124.68 of this investment with variable interest rates or fluctuating interest rates. These two values are same. So if you have schedule of interest rates You can calculate the future value of an investment by using FVSCHEDULE function.